same dla pełnosprawnych, nie?
Okej.
Rodzone i trzeba wyjść na górę.
Down. We're going down now because we went up by mistake.
A jednak Ci się spodobało, jak ja filmowałam na wczasach, co? Aha! To potem... Co?
To jest twoje krzesło?
Hello.
Że jeszcze masz tylko skarpetki. Ola pokaże. Na świecie.
Chcę takie znaleźć, co będzie z
So
nimi.
here's the measuring cup. Measuring jug. So we're in Ikea. Oven. Oh wow, tak, to jest mililitr.
A, no, no też tutaj też są chyba mililitry.
Tak, 1 mililitr.
1 mililitr, ale wiesz co? Dla Ciebie to te, bo zobacz jaka jest różnica w cenie. Ale takie by Ci się przydały,
No?
mamie.
Mama, Bazia powiedziała, że takie by mi się przydały.
Ale my mamy takie. My mamy takie 3, nie bierz.
Łyżeczki.
My mamy takie.
We ain't buying that. We already got one.
A, no to mamy.
Czy to kupiliśmy?
Nie, myśmy kupiły gdzieś indziej, ale nie wiem gdzie.
I got this one. I have it.
No nie
At home.
pamiętasz, że mamy?
Wiem.
Rozmaitości. A tu są takie babeczki, o zobacz.
Wiem.
Silikonowe. Kosztują 60.
A co to jest, mama?
No.
Czy to jest do ciasta, jak się robi?
No takie po prostu plastikowe miski są.
No. To fajnie, to jak nie ten, to ja wiem jedną skapuję w razie.
We need the need for speed. Wow. Well, that doesn't make any sense. You boil at the same speed. Ooh. Bar stainless.
A tu jak jest?
Noise. Noise. Sorry about the noise, guys. We're in Ikea. So many people. To reklamowali?
Które te?
Bo na advert było.
O?
Oh. This was an advert. Advert. This is a really small one. Ty szukasz patelni, nie?
No taką.
A może taką?
Dlaczego taką robiłaś?
Tak. I like.
Mi się tamtej przygotowało.
I like. So we need to buy a new pen. That's why we're going because one is like really for like omelets and sticks.
Niż ta, co wy macie.
Like
Bo ta ma
this
tyle
one,
takich
mama.
kładek tylko.
mama.
Nie urywa.
This one. Mama ta?
No. Jedną taką dużą i jedną potrzebna duża, o taka.
Taką mamy.
Ale jest już tamta jest niedobra.
Claro. My nose is really itching. Ah. Whoa. Hello. Co to jest?
Jest do design.
The lid creates a vacuum and placed in a container, keeping the food fresh longer, helping the food retain both heat and coolness. So guys, I got one of these. Mine is like clear, but this one would be like nice for a restaurant. Like, whoa, that's wood. Ikea, they also sell like, this like, we're just in a clothes section, but like they sell a lot more things. And just... No, to też jest patelnia.
Takie są?
Yeah, like, it will sound like this. That's like so cute. By the way, not trying to get any copyright. What is this? Ikea 365.
To ketchup, Ola, kupimy ketchup?
No?
Ten przepon, to taki są z Ikei.
A ten
No, we bought it. Ours is handmade. Look, they also make these into great taste. Mama chcesz to no.
Nie.
Mama.
Ale my mamy nowy.
Wow. Oh, that's nice. I guess that one. That's nice.
That would make a cracking.
Oh, that's beautiful. Ikea rules. Wow. Don't touch anything. It's glass, huh? But I'm with the camera.
Tak, tu
You
właśnie
touch it. Yours, I like these. They look like the ones they give in church.
Te są ładne.
Takie na
Piknikowe.
Children don't drink wine. No. It's alcohol. So don't ruin your life. But like we got this in a trolley for now, like £2, serviette and a ketchup. So like we ain't doing big shopping.
No widzisz, jak się
After?
dała kamera.
After we're gonna go to eat. We're gonna go eat and like they have like these delicious meatballs. So like
Wiesz, Ola potrafi stworzyć film.
so like they have these like delicious
Ja tego nie umiem.
meatballs here. It's called like Ikea meatballs. It's like so good. It's like oh my god. Right now we're looking for wine glasses because, well, like you said, there's little in stock. Doesn't
Just have one in stock.
It's like a nice pillow to put on my bed. It's actually really nice. It doesn't match, but it's really nice. This one matches because like our roof is like good. So, whoa, that's dangerous to live. Like that. That's burning my eyes. It's so bright. That I don't like that. I have my photo. I'm gonna show you that. What?
Nie spojrzała.
Yeah, IKEA. You should go check IKEA out. It's in England, also in Sweden, but I don't know where else it is. But ooh, oh. But yeah, it's like really nice. It has all the things you need. So they kind of like an average, but they didn't pay me to do it. So it's my choice. I feel like I'm in the city of lights. So many lights. We're in the light section right now, if you noticed. Like, damn, these lights are so much. Had that melody. Ooh, that's nice, eh? But like, so we found our bulb, E14. But now I don't know what the hell we're looking for. So guys, we got a couple of things. So we finished our shopping now, so it's all on the I take. But now we are gonna go to eat because I'm starving and I just ate a yogurt this morning. So now we are just going to eat some food because I am starving. And we're going to the stairs again because we have to turn left, I think. Or, I think we're going more up. Are we? Yep. Yeah, we're going more up. These went before, but I wanted to go down, so but now we're going for food, and I'm so hungry. But they have the best meatballs. The best. Now we're just picking a seat, and I'm not gonna show you guys how it's cute because I'm looking really weird. So I'm just gonna give the camera on the table, and it is gonna be really weird. So I'm gonna get the food and I'm gonna show you. So guys, I'm sorry. I forgot to film. I was eating. I was really hungry. I'm sorry about it. But they do have really good meatballs, and you should really try them. But that's it for today, because I've been on vacation, so I haven't done videos lately. So this is the video for the week, and for most of the week I missed. But make sure to check out my film, my trip to Tulum. Bye guys, see you next time on another video.